idea. I like those stories.
Especially where mom can take her daughter and say, look, this is part of our legacy.
And then
here in the
someday,
city.
daughter can take granddaughter, perhaps.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so shall we talk about the change?
Yeah.
The change getting... Now, for 3 days, and you have to understand, folks, we're talking about something that computer models are suggesting is going to be happening next week. The storm has not materialized as of yet, but for the last 3 days, I've been coming into work and I've been looking at this and I've been going, that's interesting. We know we've got massive high pressure that's building and it's still holding on in much of the western United States, hence the clear blue skies and the sunshine and the warm temperatures that we have seen. But I'm going to show you what's going to be happening here in just a second. First of all, here's your weather headlines. It's going to stay sunny through Friday. It's going to be warmer than normal with high temperatures averaging about 13 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of the year through the end of the week. Then a few weekend clouds, temperatures gradually start coming down. Then here we go, stormy pattern going into next week with a question mark. The caveat to that is because of the fact that we're talking about an event that computer models are suggesting is going to happen 5 days from now, 6 days from now, 7 days from now. You know, we're pretty good at forecasting what happens within 48 to 72 hours, but beyond that, you just look at the models with a very cautious eye. So here we go. This is the high pressure that's keeping us super dry right now. High pressure has pushed the jet stream way up to the north, but the models are suggesting that the high pressure is finally going to begin to weaken later this weekend itself. Then there's a stormy pattern. We've seen all the storms that have been developing out here in the Gulf of Alaska and the Pacific Ocean. This continues, so the stormy pattern is waiting. It just needs the window of opportunity to open up, and that would occur if the high pressure begins to weaken and collapse and we develop a westerly flow. Then the storms that are out there begin to move in because there's no longer an obstruction. Well, that's what the models are suggesting is going to happen, but not until Monday. But it looks like once that window of opportunity opens up around the 1st of next week, it has the potential to remain open for several days. So periods of storms, and right now I'm talking about valley rain with some mountain snows with a possible honest-to-goodness cold front that would move in here around next Wednesday. So we'll keep our fingers crossed because, yes, the sunshine is delightful, but we need to start stacking the snow up in those mountains. Futurecast through the day tomorrow showing very dry conditions, not only tomorrow, but on Friday as well, with high temperatures throughout the Treasure Valley warming into the upper 60s. So that's going to stay the same. The high temperatures will remain what we have seen over the last couple of days, and overnight lows will also be dropping down into the low 40s. So beautiful sunshine tomorrow, beautiful sunshine on Friday, and then we start to see a change later this weekend. Let's jump right to the 7-day forecast and show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to keep it mostly dry through Saturday and Sunday. Notice the temperatures over the weekend trending downward. Then I've got periods of rain or a chance of rain on Monday, Tuesday with a stronger storm possible on Wednesday. Okay, it's a possibility, but I like what I'm seeing. The mountains will be seeing lots of sunshine through Friday, more cloud cover on Saturday and Sunday with rain-snow mix on Monday and Tuesday, and it could be just straight up snow on Wednesday if that front actually materializes. So there you go. If it breaks, it's going to break big, and it could happen next week.
So perhaps it's time to put on the snow tires.
Probably maybe you wait another 2 weeks. Don't be in a rush right now.
Okay, so the snow next week...
Mostly mountains.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Okay.
But it's snow coming up on